Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix multiplayer is not working on Farming Simulator 2022 when you're trying to play and you're having an issue, and how we can fix this up. So let's get into the point. So you don't have to worry on this issue because this is actually a server issue, and the game of the developers are trying to fix the issue up, and it has been fixed yet. So if you're having the issue, you don't have to get panicked, or you don't have to get any kind of confusion on things. So it is happening to many users, and if you check, you can see that many users are having the trouble. Even on the Reddit as well as on the Discord, they are sharing the information and they're having the trouble when they're trying to open the Farming Simulator 2022 multiplayer. So you don't have to worry anything on this. So the bug is already happening because of some server issues, and it cannot be fixed by any of the players. It's actually depending on the servers and developers, so you just have to wait for it. So you'll not be having any kind of issue with this. So if you're having this error, or if you're having any other apart from error, do let us know in the comment section so that we can do a video and help you guys out. So this is what you have to do. Let us know when you're having the issue. So this is what it's all about it. And also, before winding up, I would like to also share a link in the description where you can read our website Get Droid Tips, where you can refer many more detailed articles on Android, game, iPhones and iPads, social media, Windows, etc. We have already written many a guide to fix the issue up. You can also check this out. So that's all about it, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.